Welcome to 21st Century Health. I'm Jackie Bales. A differentiator in the dental industry for consumers has always been the quality of care they receive from their dentist. Well, the same can be said for dentists as they seek clinical solutions to the daily issues they face in their practice. Challenges range from integrating new technology for office efficiency to choosing a more effective operatory package. Well, Midmark Corporation has made it their mission to examine the daily needs of dental practices, locating problems and constructing solutions to fix them. Joining us to talk about these solutions is Eric Shirley, Vice President and General Manager of Midmark. Welcome, Eric.
Thank you, Jackie.
Eric, tell us more about the challenges that the dental practices of today are facing.
It's a very exciting time in the dental business today. Dentists are, at their core, very caring individuals, as is the entire clinical team. So the patient is always at the core of every decision that they make. So they're always thinking about what can I do to improve the overall oral health of my patient, what kind of technology can I incorporate, what kind of environment can I create for the patient so the patient is more comfortable. It's those kinds of decisions that they really are struggling with today, and they really want solutions for those decisions as well.
Well, as I mentioned earlier, just as the consumers are seeking out caring dentists, dentists need caring and understanding companies and organizations to work with. So what solutions does Midmark bring to the table, or to the chair, so to speak?
Well, we provide innovation in just about every category that we're in. I'll give you a couple of examples. Our new dental chair has a heat and massage back, for instance, for the patient. So it keeps the patient comfortable.
Nice.
And keeping that patient comfortable is more important today than ever. Patients are in the chair longer. They want more done in less time and in fewer visits. So keeping the patient comfortable is really important. We also offer innovations in things like our imaging systems. For instance, we offer a program called Vantage Trust with our radiographic imaging systems. So now we can access images taken on our radiographic imaging system, and we can help the clinical team understand how to position the patient better, how to get better images, and that creates a much better environment and a patient experience for the entire team. Patient spends less time, the clinical team spends less time, and they get better images as a result.
Wow.
We also offer the world's first smart dental suction system, okay?
How exciting.
So this is the first dental vacuum system that can sense how much vacuum is required in the operatories.
Oh, that is really interesting, actually.
And then it can adjust the suction needed, so you're saving money and you're saving water and you're saving electricity. We've seen practices save as much as 86% on their water and utility bills.
No way. Wow.
Yeah. It's very exciting. Yeah, neat stuff.
That is cool. So 86%, I mean, that is a significant savings.
That's a lot, well, especially when you're used to having a vacuum system that's traditionally run by water. So now ours is not run by water, and you can save an immense amount of money just in that area alone.
Well, in this 21st Century Health Field Report, we'll take a deeper look into how Midmark solutions are impacting the dental industry.
In order to remain profitable and provide the best patient care, dental offices must stay informed of the latest medical technologies. Midmark Corporation provides clinical solutions toward the daily issues dental practices face with the most advanced technology on the market today.
When we were looking to outfit our new office, George Dental Group, with dental products, there were two criteria that were very important to us. One was quality, tangible quality that you could actually see and you could actually feel. The other thing that was important to us is comfort. Everything had to be comfortable. It had to feel comfortable. It had to look comfortable. For example, we chose Midmark chairs because of the high quality leather that we could choose to put on them and the heat massage feature that was available. When our guests are in the chairs, they feel like they are just here, they are relaxing, and for us, that was a huge bonus.
By examining dentists, the assistants, and the outright flow of the office, Midmark pinpoints the problems that they face and constructs products to fix them. Midmark is passionate about making a positive difference in the practice of healthcare and in every life they touch.
Midmark products have helped me run my office successfully in two aspects. One is that they are reliable. I know they're going to do what they're designed to do very well each and every day I walk into the office. The other part is Midmark has successfully combined technology within their products that helps me do what I do very successfully and also more efficiently.
Midmark is committed to developing quality products, services, and integrated technologies that allow healthcare providers to increase efficiency in their practices. Midmark understands the needs and wants of caregivers and responds with innovative solutions.
I see George Dental Group, the dental profession, and also Midmark continuing to develop leading-edge technologies that we incorporate into our practices that allow us to ensure each and every time we are offering the best possible care to our patients.
You know, Eric, I noticed in that piece that the dentist who was talking referred to the people as guests, not patients. Right. What's the significance of that?
Well, I think most dentists today want to treat patients differently. They want the patients to have a fantastic experience in the office. So patients don't want to always feel like they're in a clinical environment. They want better care in less time, more efficiently and effectively. So I think the dentist feels much more responsible today to provide an environment that's safe, inviting, relaxing, comfortable. So a lot of dentists treat their patients as guests, not as clinical patients.
Interesting. Like going to the spa.
In some ways it is, yes.
Tell us a little about the history of Midmark. How long has this company been around?
We started in 1915. Yes.
1915.
We've been around for a while, yes. Now, we did start as a company dedicated to serving the needs of the agricultural community in Western Ohio. So we made everything from agricultural locomotives to tractors and trenchers to steel ladles and everything in between. Then in the late 60s, we really had our first foray into the physician office space. And then we got rid of everything that wasn't medical related because we actually found that we had some unique capabilities in the medical space. Mm-hmm. And it wasn't until the late 90s that we got into the dental industry. And so we've come a long way in a very short time, and today we are a global designer and manufacturer of devices, technology, services for the physician space, the dental space, and the animal health space.
In your opinion, why should a healthcare provider buy a Midmark product? What are they getting that's unique?
Well, it starts with customer centricity. I think we're a very unique company. Our president and CEO, Dr. Ann Eiding-Clamar, not only is she part of our long history of private family-run ownership, but she is a physician, and she has very strong opinions and passions about the way healthcare should be delivered. And that gives her a very unique perspective, and so she's constantly challenging us to see problems and solutions from the customer's perspective, whether that customer is the physician, the dentist, the veterinarian, or the patient. However we define the customer, that's how Ann always encourages us to see those solutions.
Interesting perspective. Now, as the Vice President and General Manager of Midmark, what challenges do you deal with on a day-to-day basis?
My challenges are the same as the challenges that our customers have. How to provide better care more efficiently, more effectively for their patients, how to integrate technology, how to provide comfortable, relaxing, inviting environments in which to do that work. Those are the things that not just I think about, but all of our teammates across the world think about day in and day out. We're very customer focused.
What would you say has been your proudest achievement with Midmark so far?
I think the innovation. We have brought innovation to the market in every category in which we play. I'll give you a couple of other examples. Our Elevance chair is something that I'm very proud about because it required countless hours of immersive research by our engineering and marketing teams in the dental space itself, looking at how clinicians and the clinical team interact with equipment, interact with the patient. We put all of those findings and all that research into that chair, and you would think you can't put much innovation into a chair, but we actually did. So not just the way it makes the patient feel, we've done things for the patient like the integrated heat and massage, the integrated armrests, the barrier-free entry and access. All those things are great for the patient, but things for the clinical team are designed into that product as well. Very thin back for easier access to the oral cavity, barrier-free access for the clinical team in general. So really it's looking at that problem differently that enabled us to come up with many different solutions for both the clinical team and the patient. So that's really at the core of our thought process is what do we have to do to please customers so much that they make us number one in every category we're in.
Wow. Well, thanks for joining us today, Eric, and sharing the dental solutions that Midmark has to offer. This has really been interesting.
Thank you, Jackie.
And thank you for watching. For 21st Century Health, I'm Jackie Bales.